Have you ever wondered how to keep a track of your calories, workouts, and overall health in one place? Well, there's an app for that, and it's called MyFitnessPal. Today, we're going to navigate through its features and how to use it, step by step. Firstly, to get started, download MyFitnessPal from your app store. It's available for free on both iOS and Android platforms. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account. You can use your email or connect it with your Facebook or Google account. This app respects your privacy and you can choose what information to share. Now you're all set to start your fitness journey. The first step is to set your goals. Tap on the Goals tab and fill in your current weight, weekly goal, and activity level. This will help MyFitnessPal to customize a plan specifically tailored for you. Next, it's time to log your meals. Tap on the Diary tab and you'll find categories like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Click on the plus symbol in the corner, search for the food you've eaten and add it. You'll see a comprehensive breakdown of the nutrients you've consumed. Do this every day, and you'll have a clear picture of your eating habits and where you need to make changes. MyFitnessPal also allows you to log your workouts. Under the Exercise tab, you can add your exercise details. Whether it's cardio or strength training, everything can be logged here. This helps you stay on top of your fitness routine and keeps you motivated. One of the unique features of MyFitnessPal is the ability to connect with other fitness apps. You can sync it with apps like Fitbit, Garmin, and others. This way, all your health data is consolidated in one place, making it easier for you to monitor. Don't forget to check out the Progress tab. Here you can track your weight loss or gain over time. It's a great way to see how far you've come and stay motivated to keep going. Lastly, MyFitnessPal also offers a premium version. It comes with additional features like food analysis, priority customer support, and an ad-free experience. But remember, the free version is quite comprehensive too, and it's a great place to start your fitness journey. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use MyFitnessPal. Download the app, set your goals, log your meals and workouts, and start making progress towards a healthier you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness. So make it a habit to log your meals and workouts every day. Happy tracking!